Good morning. So that shut down at 5:43. Okay, so we ran out of wet corn at 5:43 a.m., which is what I was hoping. So I got everything lined up the other side over there. We'll refill this wet bin. We have 10 acres of corn left to do today for a share crop deal that we do with my Uncle Ross. So we're gonna go lop that off. Some of that goes to town for him, the rest comes here. Then we're probably gonna put the draper head on, go finish up our double crop of soybeans. So that'll be awesome. So let's get a little morning massy start. I love the sound of that tractor. Alright, I'm gonna get my work clothes. While those warm up, we'll get corn shot up into the wet bin, into the dryer. Start okay. There we are. Nice flame. Okay, you can see we're starting to get some temperature in the dryer. Right, we need actually 180. There we are. We want 180. Actually, I want to. Okay, well, we're gonna get that thing heating up a little more here before we start putting it back on automatic and running. So we want to see some AMC temp. Historically, you want to see that get up to 90 to 98, then you can start it running. But this dryer, it's been just shut down now for about an hour, so I can get it rolling earlier. First set down, out of the way. Can you see that? Yeah, you just started seeing the steam come off the dryer, so we're definitely getting close to getting it going. Next set, let's get her unloaded. Back at her. Back at her. Alright, I'm going to rest these wagons unloaded. It's actually, I also got the egg board coming today. We're going to do a Sam Miller test and chicken bar, so it's going to be fairly busy day. Stay tuned. So yesterday, in my earlier video, I was talking about how the corn yield wasn't very good. I've definitely seen some not so good corn, but yesterday we were in some like just crazy corn. So I'm excited to see, this is the first wagon off that field. So I'm excited to see the moisture and the test weight of it. Like we had fields struggling to get 150 bushel average, and this field went 231 last night. It was just insane. So it's 22.3 at 52 lb. Test weight is still garbage. Just lots of kernels. Okay. If you're under what I want to see like 56, 57, 58. That's heavy corn. Like back. Let's go back to previous last year. That's dry. There's my word. See right there, 50, 56.2, 57. That makes heavy corn, right? There's like, you know, that was insane. 57. That's the kind of stuff you want to see. That was back in 2020. I actually took a bunch of that stuff last year too. So, anyways, yeah, when it's light corn, it's just light corn. If we took a set of 1,200 bushel RJs to the elevator yesterday from Uncle Ross, and we struggled to have 1,000 bushels in them, and they were full. So it's just crazy how the year is. Let's roll. Get this going. All right, neighbors are doing their double crops. We're gonna get at that this afternoon. Yesterday the moisture was a little over 16, so they said. So we'll find out what goes on there. But if it's 16, that's all right. We're gonna roast them tomorrow regardless. So I don't really care if they're a little bit on the moist side of life. I'm just waiting for that ground conditions to be a little bit nicer. So yeah, let's get corn done first and swap over. That's good food for now. You get the combine buggy. Actually, I think I'm gonna go get the draper head. I'll eat these other two start here. Okay, we'll get the draper head. Excellent. A little tight, but it's out. Connie just left a few minutes ago, and that's the lady from the egg board who does my salmonella tests and make sure I'm doing a good job in the barn. I didn't get video of that. She didn't need me there to do her swabs. She knows what she's doing. She's a trained professional, so she knows I'm busy. I know she's busy, so I just didn't get video of it. Put grease. Okay, she's greased. I just put it on my truck. I just use the tractor to get out of the barn and bring it to the farm. Where I got to go a little further. Truck's quicker to get back. There we go, she's ready. And just like that, one calls and he broke another tie rod end. I think we broke one last year, broke one again this year. I think the other one, so maybe we should, anyways, I'm pretty sure I have one on the shelf. I'm going to check. But that kind of screws up the morning. Just when you think you got it figured out, you don't. Good news, I found it. I'm gonna give them a hand in tearing the old one out. I know we got to bring it back here and press this guy out and press this one in. Yeah, no. Broken. What's up, puppy? Oh yeah. Down? Yeah. Well, I don't care about the threads actually. Okay. So let's not fun that. I don't think we're gonna use that anymore. Two-hander. Watch your face. Oh, I got the glasses on. Okay. Go get the new one on. Wait, hold on, don't excuse me. Let's find something else now. Jammer back on. So we need a couple inches to get it in the hole. We tried backing up, but didn't want to straighten out. Just plow.
Okay. For nudge, what happens?
We moved it, but we're still there. So we lengthen that rod just to get in. We gotta get it straight and put it where it's supposed to. Okay, that's better. That's much better. Okay, back.
Back or up or up and forward?
Forward's fine, just move some tools. Okay, come on ahead a little bit. You're good.
Good enough?
Yep, turn it now. Other way, so we can still work on it. Right about there, probably. Okay, let's roll. That took us an hour. That wasn't too bad. Divot. Get this out of the way. Okay, it's 12:02. That's not too bad. I don't know if we'll finish this little chunk in an hour or not. I was hoping to be picking beans by 1:30, so there's potential.
NALARM. Hello, this is a message from Synthphone. The power is off at DARNALARM.
That's not great.
The power is now on at DARNALARM.
Also good. Generator kicked on.
Hello, this is a message from Synthphone. The power is now on at DARNALARM.
Anyways, I'm still gonna go and check that out. That's good news. Oh, here comes Owen. He's bringing me keys. Funny, I had vehicles here and then I don't have vehicles here because everybody dropped me off. We were trying to organize. Good thing Ross has a vehicle. Okay, so Mike just called me. They have no power in Glencoe either because he was taking the sharecrop load there, so he's stuck there. I gotta go check the barns, make sure everything's kosher. Got to check the dryer because odds are good it's not running unless the 3-phase is still working. Potentially I had to pick Mike up because no point having him sit there for 2 hours. They can unload it when you know, when they get to it. All right. You know what? The chickens don't even know the power's out. So apparently there was an accident not too far away, and that's just too bad. That's not good. So everything looks like it's running. I gotta stick my nose in there, you know, disinfect. Nice. Things are going good here. We'll go check the generator too. Fine down here. Let's go check the dryer. Owen finished corn there. Now we're gonna switch the combine and go to beans. It is quite the day. Yep, it's off. Nothing I can do about it. Unfortunately, I didn't get a really good cool. It wouldn't get a good cool down. It would just shut down. But sometimes when the power goes out, 3-phase doesn't go out, and vice versa. You just never know. But, all right, so we're not drying corn. That's fine. We're going to soys. Back in the saddle. All right, Wes is gonna take a set of wagons back to the farm. I'm gonna unload them. They should fit. I hope they'll be dry enough to fit. And he's gonna bring back this either that set empty or my 7630, but the RJs, they're empty, so that's good too. So he'll bring a set. We'll get hooked to this head. They already set this combine up while I was checking everything else out, so we're good to go. Not running terrible for doubles. We'll see if we can average 30. I see some 34s, 36s. I see some 40s in here, but that's pretty solid. I mean, we're rolling. It just took me a moment to get everything set back up. I got some pods coming in the tank. Actually, they're flat pods. I don't know if we'll be able to crash those, but we'll get some minor adjustments going on, and hopefully get beans done today, and then we'll just go back to corn tomorrow, and we're gonna roast these tomorrow. Not doing too bad. I can deal with that. Look at the moisture, 14.2. There's 45 bushel in there, 30. So we're creeping our way up on the average of 30. I think it's going to make it. That is very, very acceptable. And just like that, double crops are done. Woo! All right. So they went 31 bushel on the far field, and I think 32 on this field. One's gonna do the math here with the buggy, but that's pretty solid. We're gonna go check out what's going on at the farm here once we get this dropped off here. Quick pit stop to grab the 6 rows of Fury. Be on our way to the farm, back to the shop, change this baby over. Guess I'll have to hook a generator up to my doors, and then I'll have to open them. Maybe I'll leave it outside for a little bit. We'll figure it out. And we're off to the farm. Well, we got the 806, the home farm here. Always just going down to check the chicken barn. As soon as the hydro comes back on, we'll get that dryer a start, and I guess call it a night. I guess I should explain this in case you're wondering, well, the generator's going, why isn't the dryer going? Dryer runs on 3-phase. I don't have a 3-phase generator. I've never needed the need for it till today, but it's all good. We're in good shape. The power is going to be back on. It's not like we're gonna be out for days. So just wanted to let, in case you were wondering, you know. 1 a.m. Hydro just turned on. First of all, let's see if the blower's plugged. You can hear the tinkle tinkle. Please go all the way. Oh, it's a good sound. Sweet. Okay, let's start the dryer back up and get drying corn for the rest of the morning. So yeah, so I need to get the corn dried, because tomorrow morning we're going to shut the dryer off again, because we're going to start roasting the soybeans that we roasted. So but if I get enough down in the wet bin, I can still go pick some more corn. So tomorrow night when we're finished roasting soybeans, I can start the dryer again to empty the wet bin out, and we can start the process all over again. You see where I'm getting at. It's a pain in the butt to be up and at them again, but actually I really haven't slept. I think I had a cat nap, but it's all good. So yeah, so I'll be here for easily an hour probably an hour and a half by the time I get this dryer running. Make sure the sensors are happy and all that fun stuff. So we'll check in a moment. Well, hold on, we're just gonna go. Okay, unload back off. Boom. Start. Okay. You know the drill. It's gonna get loud for a moment. Make it happen. Oh God! Of course you're gonna do that. Things are so easy. Come on. Stay tuned. All right. I know you're unhappy. It's early in the morning. But it's happier now. Okay. Let that warm up. Everything's moving. I just got the unload going on. I'm gonna be here for another hour or so. I'm just waiting for my sensors to get. It takes a little while to get that corn over top of the sensors and make them happy, and then I'm gonna have to calibrate them and make sure they're good before I go to bed. But I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be later today. We're going to start roasting, so we'll see you then. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace. Have a good one.